Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. You got this XC90 2016 and newer torque arm bushing. Was this a recall or are they just replacing them?
No recall.
Probably should be recalled, but if you got one of these in your XC90, go ahead and get it replaced. That's what it looks like. You can see the newer style maybe on their website or on Williams' Instagram page. I'll try to post a picture of it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.